back to Turbo Track, your trusted destination for exploring the very finest in automotive engineering and luxury. Today we're taking an in-depth look at 5 of the most extraordinary machines of 2027. Each represents the absolute peak of design, performance, and exclusivity: the Rolls Royce Sweptail, the Bentley Flying Spur, the Bugatti Centodieci, the SP Automotive Chaos, and the Range Rover SV. These aren't simply cars, they are icons of status and power, rolling works of art crafted for those who demand the very best. Let's begin with the Rolls Royce Sweptail, a car that has already cemented its place in automotive history as one of the most exclusive creations ever commissioned. The exterior is breathtaking, characterized by its yacht-inspired silhouette that flows with uninterrupted elegance from the imposing Pantheon grille to the distinctive rear taper. The bodywork is handcrafted from polished aluminum panels, each one shaped with the precision of a sculptor's hand. Slim, modern LED headlights integrate seamlessly with the design, while the elongated roofline, largely comprised of glass, floods the interior with light. This is not just a car to be seen in, it is a car that redefines what bespoke design means. Beneath its commanding presence lies a V12 engine producing around 453 horsepower. It isn't built for aggressive acceleration or top-speed bragging rights, but for smooth, effortless progress at any speed. Rolls-Royce engineering ensures that the Sweptail glides along the road with almost no vibration or noise. Inside, the Sweptail offers unparalleled craftsmanship: polished Macassar ebony, open-pore Paldau wood, hand-stitched leather, and a panoramic glass roof that transforms the cabin into a rolling sanctuary. At $13 million, the Sweptail remains one of the most expensive and exclusive automobiles in the world. From that singular expression of luxury we move to the Bentley Flying Spur, a sedan that strikes a balance between traditional elegance and thrilling performance. The 2027 model refines its exterior with a more muscular stance, accentuated by sharp character lines that give the body a sense of athleticism. At the front, the signature chrome matrix grille commands attention, flanked by jewel-like crystal LED headlights that sparkle with a diamond-cut finish. The long wheelbase enhances both presence and passenger space, while the rear styling is subtle yet unmistakably Bentley, exuding quiet confidence. Performance is anything but quiet, thanks to a twin-turbocharged W12 engine generating 626 horsepower. This allows the Flying Spur to launch from 0 to 60 in just 3.7 seconds, a staggering achievement for a car of its size and luxury. All-wheel drive and adaptive suspension keep it composed on any road, seamlessly switching between supreme comfort and dynamic control. The interior is a masterclass in detail: diamond-quilted leather, hand-polished wood veneers, and meticulously knurled controls that feel as good as they look. Rear passengers enjoy reclining, massaging seats in a technology suite designed for long-distance travel in complete serenity. With a starting price of $220,000, the Flying Spur delivers exclusivity with a level of everyday practicality Rolls-Royce would never aim for. Next, we turn to Bugatti, where the Centodieci pays homage to the EV 110 while pushing hypercar design into the future. Its exterior is aggressive, sculptural, and unapologetically bold. The low stance, wide track, and massive aerodynamic intakes define its proportions. At the front, narrow LED strips act as headlights, positioned vertically to give the car a uniquely predatory expression. The side profile showcases dramatic cuts and vents that channel air efficiently, while the rear is dominated by a large fixed wing and a futuristic interpretation of Bugatti's iconic horseshoe motif. But the real story is performance. At its heart is an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine tuned to deliver an astonishing 1,600 horsepower. The numbers are mind-bending: 0 to 60 in just 2.4 seconds, with an electronically limited top speed of 236 miles per hour. It's a hypercar engineered to perform at the very limits of what's possible while remaining stable and controllable. The cabin is purposeful but never stripped down, blending Alcantara, carbon fiber, and bespoke leather with a driver-focused layout that ensures every function is within reach. With only 10 units produced and an official price of $9 million, the Centodieci is a rarefied piece of automotive art that fuses history with next generation. As extreme as the Bugatti may seem, the SP Automotive Chaos takes things even further, introducing a new category the brand calls the ultracar. Its design looks almost alien, as though plucked straight from a science fiction universe. The bodywork features razor-sharp edges, exaggerated aerodynamic fins, and a stance so low it seems ready to take flight. Every component is constructed using cutting-edge materials such as titanium, magnesium, and Xylon, ensuring maximum strength with minimal weight. The powertrain is the stuff of legend, a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V10 producing up to 3,065 horsepower in its most extreme configuration. With this setup, the Chaos is projected to accelerate from 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds and reach top speeds in excess of 310 miles per hour. Advanced aerodynamics and AI-assisted driving systems are integrated to harness such immense power, ensuring it isn't just fast but also functional. The interior is every bit as futuristic as the exterior, with holographic displays, minimalist seating inspired by aerospace design, and luxury materials crafted with cutting-edge manufacturing techniques. The SP Automotive Chaos starts at $6.4 million, but the fully loaded performance model can exceed that significantly, making it one of the most audacious creations ever conceived for the road. Finally, we arrive at the Land Rover Range Rover SV, a vehicle that redefines luxury within the SUV market. Unlike the hypercars and grand tourers we've discussed, the Range Rover SV embodies practicality alongside exclusivity. Its design is sleek, modern, and authoritative. The clean lines of the body are enhanced by flush door handles, sharp LED headlamps, and the iconic floating roof design. The SV variant introduces bespoke exterior touches such as unique grille patterns, exclusive paint finishes, and massive 23-inch alloy wheels that elevate its presence to another level. Performance is equally impressive, with a twin-turbocharged V8 producing over 600 horsepower. Advanced all-wheel drive, adaptive air suspension, and terrain response systems allow it to conquer city streets with smooth composure and off-road trails with unshakable confidence. Inside, the Range Rover SV provides a level of luxury few SUVs can match. Executive rear seating features reclining, heated, and massaging options, while semi-aniline leather and sustainable luxury fabrics line the cabin. A 13.1-inch infotainment display and state-of-the-art sound system transform travel into a first-class experience. Starting at $220,000, the Range Rover SV proves that SUVs can be just as refined and exclusive as sedans or coupes. Together, these 5 cars illustrate the many different interpretations of perfection in the automotive world of 2027. The Rolls Royce Sweptail is a singular expression of bespoke craftsmanship. The Bentley Flying Spur blends elegance with power in a way only Bentley can. The Bugatti Centodieci captures the spirit of heritage and reinvents it with extraordinary performance. The SP Automotive Chaos shatters boundaries with futuristic design and record-shattering horsepower. And the Range Rover SV redefines what it means to travel in ultimate luxury while maintaining true capability. Each represents a pinnacle of engineering, design, and vision, showing us that the pursuit of automotive excellence is alive and thriving. This has been Turbo Track, taking you closer to the most exclusive, powerful, and luxurious cars shaping the future of driving.